One of the things that the Nio investors will be closely monitoring is obviously the insurance registrations that will be coming on Tuesday for this week, this first full week of December. I mean, now in December, in terms of deliveries, many of the new investors we are expecting some pretty good, decent deliveries. ONVO we're expecting plus 10,000 deliveries, and Nio we're expecting at least plus 20,000 deliveries. This is so that Nio can meet the 30,500 deliveries, which will take them to the lower side of their guidance of 72,000. And we have been seeing some positive comments from both the Nio CEO and the ONVO president, saying that we need to brace ourselves and relax, and let Nio cook and see how many vehicles they produce this month. But something that, as we head to Tuesday, we need to have at the back of our minds is that the last week of November, we saw ONVO having total insurance registrations for that last week of November of around 1,800. This is something that shows you, or that is showing us, that production capacity for ONVO has ramped up or continues ramping up, which therefore means one of the things that we will see, if that indeed is true, is the kind of insurance registrations that ONVO will produce for on Tuesday when they announce this week's insurance registrations. I think we are going to see a number close to 2,000, if not over 2,000, because what we are seeing from ONVO, we are seeing, of course, a pretty good improvement in terms of the weekly sales or weekly insurance registrations. I mean, one of the things we discussed this week, we're discussing about the fact that some of the models that Nio is producing on the same line with the ONVO, their wait times are slightly longer. I think this is the ET7, the ES8, and the other, I can't remember the other one. These three models, in terms of wait times, they've been increased from 2 to 3 weeks to now 3 to 4 weeks, which might mean that Nio is prioritizing the ONVO L60 deliveries, which will be so great, so amazing. I mean, like I said, the president of ONVO has emphasized or reiterated, I think, more than 5 times to say that 10,000 plus 10,000 is guaranteed for ONVO this month, and we hope to see also plus 20,000 for Nio. Hopefully the incentives that Nio is offering for their Nio models bear some fruits and they get as many vehicles as possible. So yeah, man, I am happy, I am excited. Just thought I'd give you this quick updates, man. I am expecting Nio to have not anything less than 5,000 deliveries. This is what I am expecting. This is what I am thinking. These are my projections or predictions about Nio. I think that Nio will have a minimum of 5,000 insurance registrations, and if we are to get that, then it's a good sign to say that indeed December Nio will be on the track to deliver over 30,000 deliveries for the very first time. If Nio delivers over 30,000 now in December, I'm telling you, man, it's lights out, because we need to brace ourselves, because it will just be the beginning. Because March, by the end of Q1, Nio will be able to sell. If demand is there for the Nio main brands for 20,000, Nio by the end of March, they should be able to sell 40,000 vehicles on a month to month. Which, if we get that, man, it's lights out, because that will be coming before even the sales of the ONVO L60, which is of the Firefly sub-brand, which Nio will be launching it during Nio Day 2024, which, by the way, apparently it appears that this year Nio Day will be different. It will be a 2-day event instead of being a 1-day event, which is something that we look forward to, man. Yeah, I will give you those news as they come, but for now, like I said, insurance registration 5,000, I think it will be a minimum that Nio will be getting, because for them to get the 10,000 for their sub-brand, they need to be selling like what, 2,500 on a weekly basis. And do I think they are going to get it? I think so. I think Nio has got a potential to get more in terms of deliveries, and this goes to both ONVO and Nio models, right? Because Nio models, you know that there are incentives that Nio is currently running to try to stimulate the sales, or to grow the sales, or at least bring some orders. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. What's your prediction? My prediction is 5,000. I think we are going to get 5,000, but if it comes below this, we'll just have to wait and see. We cannot obviously quickly give a conclusion based on just the deliveries for 1 week, which is something that yeah man, I would like to obviously closely monitor this, and hopefully things get better in terms of deliveries and the Nio can deliver as they projected or promised. Otherwise, with all that, man, just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. And yeah, don't forget to hit that likes button, man. It takes me some time to make these videos, and all I ask from you is to hit that likes button if you do enjoy the content that I give you on a day to day, because like I said, it takes me some time, and I appreciate those that are subscribing, those that are liking, giving my video thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Do your own due diligence before you buy Nio for the very first time, because share price wise, we know that it's very volatile. You can buy Nio today and it's up 5%, 6%, and tomorrow it gets down 10%, but that does not mean that Nio is a bad company. It just means that the market maybe is still manipulating the stock. But obviously long term will win, man. Things will get better with time. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all, man.